8 South American countries have agreed to launch an alliance to fight deforestation in the Amazon, vowing at a summit in Brazil to stop the world's biggest rainforest from reaching a point of no return. It is the first summit in 14 years for the 8-nation group set up in 1995 by the South American countries that share the Amazon basin. The closely watched summit of the Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization adopted what the host country Brazil called a new and ambitious shared agenda to save the rainforest, a crucial buffer against climate change that experts warn is being pushed to the brink of collapse. The summit is a key test for veteran leftist Lula, who previously served as president from 2003 to 2010 and returned to office in January, vowing Brazil is back in the fight against climate change after 4 years of massive deforestation under his far-right predecessor Jair Bolsonaro. Lula had said last week that the meeting will seek to draw up a common policy for the first time to protect the rainforest. The group's members signed a joint declaration in Belém at the mouth of the Amazon River, laying out a nearly 10,000-word roadmap to promote sustainable development, end deforestation, and fight the organized crime that fuels it. But the summit stopped short of environmentalists and indigenous groups' boldest demands, including for all member countries to adopt Brazil's pledge to end illegal deforestation by 2030 and Colombia's pledge to halt new oil exploration. In his opening speech of the two-day summit yesterday, Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva emphasized that the severe worsening of the climate crisis required action in unison. Colombian President Gustavo Petro, meanwhile, called for a massive program to cancel developing countries' debt in exchange for action to protect the climate, linking the idea to the post-World War II Marshall Plan. Colombia's president is also pushing other countries to adhere to his pledge to ban all new oil exploration, a touchy subject for some members including Brazil, whose state-run oil company is controversially seeking to explore new offshore blocks at the mouth of the Amazon River. Home to an estimated 10% of Earth's biodiversity, 50 million people, and hundreds of billions of trees, the vast Amazon is a vital carbon sink, reducing global warming. But scientists have warned that the destruction of the rainforest is pushing it dangerously close to a tipping point beyond which trees would die off and release carbon rather than absorb it, with catastrophic consequences for the climate.